If you want to charge your Realme GT7T, we have a couple of ways that allow us to do so. However, at first I'm going to mention that unfortunately the wireless charger is not working. We cannot wirelessly charge our Realme GT7T. The only way to charge this phone is by using the USB cable. In my case, I have this cable. This is not the original cable. This is the cable that I use all the time. And essentially, anything that provides power through the USB cable can be used in order to charge the phone. Ideally, you want to use a charger or power adapter. In my case, I have Xiaomi charger with the USB-A port, so in this case, it matches the original cable. But if you have a charger or power adapter with USB-C port, then of course you also need to change the cable that has USB-C on both ends. Nevertheless, what you need to do is of course connect the phone to the charger like this. There we go. And of course, we insert the charger to the power socket. And there we go. And this is how we can charge our phone. And sometimes, of course, there are situations where you don't have the power adapter or charger, or at least yet. So for example, if you just purchased the phone, you don't have the charger, you can also use your computer. However, the charging speed will be quite slow, as usually computers don't provide that much power. But it is still possible. And like I mentioned, everything that provides some sort of power through USB cable can be used. So like computer, like I mentioned, power adapter, of course, naturally, or some other devices like power banks and some other similar stuff. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.